Now we move to the second table. As you can see, yaf'alu active voice, yuf'alu passive voice, and la yaf'alu negative active voice, passive voice la yuf'alu, as you can see. And the similar way, exactly the rest of is, you can see the same, just you have to add a la, and then it becomes negative. Clear? Any questions so far? This is the second table. Actually, is very important. You must memorize actually this one. And we at our traditional institute usually learn by heart these tables, because these are the core of all the Arabic language. There are many other things, but all the rest of Arabic grammar, basically qawaid of Arabic language, based on these patterns.
Now when we come to the pattern, the base, you can take any base.
Yes, of course, yes.
Any base. But when we come to the suffix and prefix, that means you can just, that's we need to know.
Of course, as I mentioned to you, for example, in that table, you can see we have covered the whole, negative, future, continuous, present tense, and at the same time future is well, all right, and habitual, something, someone habitually does, and I have given you those 4 letters, which is noon, all right, Hamza. Hamza is basically alaf, that alaf is called Hamza as well, and the other one was ya,
Noon.
Noon.
Noon or Hamza.
Hamza, that's right, exactly.
Ya, ta, noon and Hamza.
Exactly, ta. So you can see we've been using only those 4 letters. And that's like, yes, to changing the meaning, all right? There are only those letters. And of course, those vowel sign change as well, just, as we can see in the passive form, the second letter, which is ayn usually. If we use this pattern, it changed to the fatha,
Okay.
Yeah, that's best. So those letters, to make a negative, we just use lam for both. That's it. The whole table, if you use lam in front of that, it becomes negative. All right. That's it. Just the lam. All right. And of